You might think DHT is the cause of hair loss, but studies show scalp tension could be the real culprit. Today, I'll share the science and solutions, some easy massage techniques and a device you can use at home. The current theory is that free testosterone converts to DHT, attacks the hair follicles until they stop producing hair. But there are many unknowns about this process. Firstly, why does DHT increase in balding scalps? Why do some balding men not respond to finasteride? 80% of balding men have really tight scalps. If you suffer from hair loss, have a quick feel of your scalp now. Does it feel tight? Let me know in the comments below. The tension arises from the scalp perimeter muscles, which involuntarily contract. The tensile pattern created matches the male pattern hair loss perfectly. Botox relaxes muscles, and it was used on a group of patients. Between 75 to 80% had a stop in their hair loss. The study has been repeated 3 times and they all had similar results. This paper suggests that scalp massage is just as effective as Botox for relaxing the scalp muscles and therefore increasing hair growth. Free testosterone can convert to other hormones as well as DHT, but it converts to DHT without the need for oxygen. If the tight muscles restrict blood flow and oxygen, then this makes it more likely that free testosterone will convert to DHT, so low oxygen environments could favor hair loss. So we don't really know whether DHT is causing hair loss or whether it appears due to low oxygen or whether it shows up to address inflammation. Here are some easy massage techniques you can do at home to reduce scalp tension. So put your hands with a little bit of pressure against your scalp, and firstly you move in circles, backwards and forwards, and then the front and the back. Then the same thing with your fingers against your scalp, but this time you shake the scalp. And again, do this one for a couple of minutes. The next one is you try to pinch the skin on your scalp. Because it's probably tight, what you can do instead is use your fingers to create a crease, to create a fold in the scalp like this, and just go all over your scalp, pinching your scalp. Then finally, the really easy one, just raise your eyebrows and then frown, and you're releasing the tension in your forehead. So you have to remember to do this every day, and it does tire out your arms slightly. So let's check out some devices that will massage your scalp for you. This is the Mitrex Head Spa, and I cannot believe I've lived for 49 years without owning one of these. This is the best thing I've ever reviewed in 9 years of having my YouTube channel. So this is like fingers massaging your face and your scalp. There's LED red light, which will stimulate hair growth, and there's EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation. You can take this in the shower. It's waterproof, and you can use this as you shampoo your hair. And this costs $158, but I've got a discount code below. I know this is working because afterwards you can see your scalp is pink. Remember that minoxidil and the other existing medications for hair loss have 30 years worth of studies and data behind them. Head massage has almost nothing. However, how likely is it that big pharmaceutical companies are going to pay for research for something where they're not going to make a penny? There's no return at all because massage is free. It's not going to happen. Also, bear in mind that scalp massage can be used alongside minoxidil and finasteride. You can do them both at the same time. Let me know if you have any success with head massage for balding, if you're currently using that technique. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.